A lot of times I get asked, Jamie, I've got a little plastic scuff repair. You know, I've damaged my plastic on my car, right? The trims, so not the paintwork, not the bodywork, just the trims. As an example, I'll show you. So I'll take you through a really easy process, which is affordable, to be able to repair those plastics. So we can see I'm doing here, I'm just hitting this with a P120 disc, which is quite gritty, just to remove those deep scratches and get rid of them, right? And then I'm going to rub it down with some P320, 240, 800, 500, right? But wrong order, but those are basics. The 800 will get it smooth enough to put the texture over. Same again on this, so we're just going to whiz around and quickly do this. Right, ladies and gentlemen, so as you can see, what I did in that little section there was I used a pretty standard DA part, something like that, tool station. About 60, 70 quid, right? So it's a budget sander, but I want to show you affordability. And then I sanded it down with a P120 disc, which is quite a high grain disc. That cut most of the deep scratches out of it, right? And then I got some soft pads, 240, just to smooth it down a bit, 320, 500 and 800. Now 800 is a textured coating, which is the Monofill Vario Plus Structure Paint Black. Something like that will cost you about £15 for a can, and that is more than enough to do this textured coating on this car. A bit of brown paper, you can get a roll for about a tenner, a couple of rolls of tape, 4 or 5 quid for 2 rolls. So you're looking overall cost of materials to do this job 30 quid maximum, right? And then time wise, you're probably looking at about an hour and a half, 2 hours, right? For me it's a bit quicker because I know what I'm doing, but for you guys about an hour to 2 hours I'd set aside. So overall quite a quick job, easy to do. Now let's get on with the texturing. Now with the texturing, all you want to do is just a nice light coat and keep a good distance. I'm normally about 1.5 foot away, right, to 2 feet. I find it dusts over a lot nicer. Don't go too heavy, put first coat on, dry it with, I use a hairdryer, 12 quid from Boots, lovely job, nice and easy, cheap and affordable, right? So this is what we're trying to show you, a nice cheap affordable way for you to do this yourself. Right, that's it, job done. See you on the next one.